Huwag ka mawawalan ng pag-asa kung ikaw isang alternate candidate sa JET program kasi meron ka pa rin chance para maging isang shortlisted participant. Ano ang mga dapat mong gawin? Watch until the end of this video. Konnichiwa, my name is Sir JR at isa akong ALT ng Batch 2023 under the JET program. You are watching this video kasi I believe na tapos mo yung second stage ng screening. That means nakapag-interview ka ay nakapag-exam ka. With that, I would like to say congratulations pa rin kasi hindi naman lahat umaabot sa ganyang stage. Unfortunately, hindi mo natanggap yung golden email na nagsasabing ikaw ay shortlisted participant. But, fortunately, hindi mo rin natanggap yung email na nagsasabing ikaw ay hindi nakuha o you are not selected. Ang sabi ko, congratulations kasi ikaw pa rin ay nasa waitlist. Sa akin pong case, March 28 ko na-receive yung email na ako ay isang alternate candidate. And to tell you honestly, during that time, I was heartbroken. But after mag-sink in, I chose to be positive during that time. Kasi I thought I still had the chance. Otherwise, ang matatanggap ko sana is yung you're not selected email. So what I did, I took the chance and grabbed it full swing. After all, sabi ko sa sarili ko ang haba na ng proseso. So right away, sinabi ko po talaga na ako ay 100% interested na maging isang ALT under the JET program. At walang kaabog-abog, I submitted all the forms sealed with prayers. From March 28 to April 2, April 2 na po ako nag-submit ng mga documents, which if I could remember it correctly, includes the alternate reply form. Ang sabi nga po pala sa timetable namin noon, ang mga alternates ay pwedeng maghintay from the date of release until December. So sobrang tagal nung agony. That meant mauuna yung paglipad ng mga shortlisted participant by July. At kung hindi ka makakasabay, yung paghihintay mo could extend up to December. And looking back, I knew I was very clear with my prayers with the Lord. At sabi ko kay Lord, kung ipapasa mo ako, ipasa mo na ako. Kasi ayoko na pong maabutan middle of the next school year. Pangit naman parang nasa next school year ka na tapos bigla akong magre-resign by December kung sakasakali mang umabot ako ng December. I truly said, Lord, kung hindi po ako makakasama by July, huwag na lang po. I will take that as a sign na lang. Kasi at the same time, during that time, medyo half-hearted pa din naman ako noon na mag-resign sa DepEd at pumunta dito. Still, I submitted all the documents and forms and ang sabi ko kung ano man yung result nito, maluwag kong tatanggapin. Kung ma-upgrade ako, ibig sabihin that would be for me. Pero kung hindi ako ma-upgrade at hindi ako makakasabay ng flight by July, ibig sabihin hindi po para sa akin. Thank goodness, by April 11, na-receive ko po yung email na ako ay upgraded participant na. Eto guys always check your email kasi etong email ko ng April 11 ay nabasa ko past 5 na at hinihingi pala nilang reply ay within the day. So, ang worry ko, hindi ko sure kung open pa sila or matatanggap pa nila yung mga reply ko ng past 5. But still, nag-reply po ako kahit pasado alas 5 na. Dinoble ko pa nga ating reply ko dyan. And also, may mga pinapasubmit pa pong documents na kamukha or katulad ng mga pinasubmit na documents nung ako ay alternate. Pero hindi na ako magre-reklamo doon at dapat wag din kayo magre-reklamo Kasi isipin natin, isasabit na naman to sinabit na nga to dati. No, kasama po yan. After all, nag-a-apply po tayo so dapat sundin po natin lahat ng mga pinapasubmit ng mga documents. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, nung nandito na po kami by August, may mga patuloy pa rin pong na-upgrade. May na-upgrade ng August, ng September, at kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, ang pinakalas na na-upgrade po sa batch namin ay December. So, kaya baka nasa shortlist pa tayo kasi baka chin-check pa din ni Lord kung ready ka na ba talaga, kung buo na ba talaga yung loob mo. Kaya huwag ka mag-alala kung ikaw ay alternate candidate. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit like kung meron kayong napulot na kahit na konting inspirasyon mula sa video ito. And I also have my Facebook account and TikTok account, Sir JR in Japan. Maraming salamat po and see you soon here in Japan. Mata ne, jane.